Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Samsung phone guys flash notification guys. How can we on friends? We want to on guys Samsung phone guys phone flash notification. So how to on it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we on Samsung phone guys phone flash notification. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys Samsung phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys phone accessibility. Guys, we will tap on guys phone accessibility. Then guys, click on this advanced setting guys, tap here. As you can see flash notification guys, you want to on guys screen flash notification guys, camera flash notification guys, you can on and hence you can use from here. And guys, you can see selected app guys, which app guys you will select, only flash will on. And guys, you can see all apps. So guys, all app flash notification will on guys, like that your flash will blink. So like the guy we can on, and we can use guys Samsung phone guys phone flash notification. And when you don't want to use, so guys you can off from here. So like the guy we can on and off guys Samsung phone guys phone flash notification settings. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.